Yo, 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 yo. That's right. She's been hitting the gym. Oh, you're not getting ads. That's good. That's cool to see. Yep, got a few redemptions and channel points. What's Jeff doing in the corner? He's watching. We got ads. He's peeking on in. Watch, he's about to make his glorious exit because ads are finishing. And just like that, you get out of here. I love that. Later. All right. Why can I not press this damn button? I can't press dash? That's not good. Uh-oh. I done messed up. I can't press the dash button on my keyboard, and I'm not sure why. Maybe I did something in my app. I need to double check something. What have I done? Macro. Did I have a weird macro or something? Oh. Oh, what's this? The trigger is a minus. It's that one? Why is this the trick? Oh, shit. I see. I think I see what I did. I need to know how to reset a key though. Smart set app reset key, I think. No, I might need to just go into the thing. This PC. Layouts. Layout 2. Open with code. I done messed this up. Okay, this is my macro. I think. Page up. Home. These are key remaps, right? Or no, these are key remaps. Delete. Hotkey 2. There we go. Hotkey 4. Get rid of these. There we go. Perfect. Ah, I used the key again. Beautiful. I wasn't able to press like the minus at all, which is weird. Uh-oh. Still can't use it. Might need to do that again. It's unfortunate. How things been going with you though? Mr. East? You said you were gonna do a playthrough with your dad on that game? DDLC? How'd that go? You guys do that yet? Layouts, layout 2. Hmm. Control Shift 1, Control Shift 2. There we go. We should be good. And then I need a Control Shift 1, Control Shift 2. So let's make hotkeys. We'll do
Testist.
God damn it.
Test.
Alright, so that's not doing anything. I need to make that block again. Control Shift 1. Try it again.
Test.
Okay, I didn't do shit. Macro to Control Shift 2. Okay. Give me that. That. Oh no, it's this one. This guy. Actually, just kidding. It was this one. Manage. Skip message. Yep. Control. Control Shift 1. Okay. Do it again. Yep, that works now. Cool. And then Discord, I need to just make it do the silent thing. Keybinds. And there it is. Perfect. And just like that, we got some keys to do stuff. Beautiful. Alright, it's been a while since I did coding. I really need to start doing it again. That's how I earn my bread after all. Okay. More like Stardew. Limited field. For now, we'll just do the same level. Or a few variations. Ladder says regress. That's a few things to do there. I need to do level ups and stats. So let's get this shit on the road. So first of all, this town map, this shit, this gotta go. We're gonna make a limited field now. Yep, all that's gotta go. Erase. Ooh, the floor, I could just delete it, right? No, I'm just gonna... I'll paint. Or how the hell are you supposed to do this? Okay, nice. Got no more floor. Let's make a relatively small level. And I'll have to throw in some walls and shit. Alright, where's my floor at? We'll need to have some rocks too. Yeah. Yeah. The hell was I using floor? I don't see it anywhere. It's not good. Let's change music. There we go. Dun, dun. Bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, bum. Da-da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Now what the hell was I using over here? Dun, 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 dun. Let's disable this guy. Dun, 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 dun. Turn that off. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Now what the hell was I using here? What does this look like? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Ah, it looks like these guys. Yeah. I mean, this is probably fine, right? No more racing. Got it. Okay. I can go ahead and just delete all these. The floor doesn't need any colliders. Erase the big square. Okay. Okay. Da-na-na-na. Let's just peek. All right, nice. Yep. I want to fix the level first. I feel like the aesthetics are important to me. Let's make all right. Yep. How do games even do the walls at the bottom? I don't remember. Let's see, Stardew Mines. Let's just use this as a reference. It just has from the darkness to lighter. Okay. That's it. Let's fix some aesthetics here. Yeah, we can use the top. That's it. That's the boy. Walls. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. What? Da, 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 da. Give me some tiles, man. That's all we want. A little bit of tiles in my life. Let's just get something flat for now. Why did I not draw? Why are you not drawing? Uh-oh. Okay. The hell? I can't see the tiles. Let's see if I can just paint it. Draw it. Okay, I'm not seeing it. Is it because of the layer? Is it under? I don't think so. Yeah. What happens if I just try to draw right here? Okay, it's showing up there. Very interesting. This has collision layer 3 on the floor? That's not good. That shouldn't be right. Dun dun dun, bum bum bum. Screw it. I'm just gonna make a new child node and it's gonna be tile map layer. And let's add a child node, and this is going to be a 2D node 2D. This will just be map. Floor goes in there. I'll delete that shit. Add child node, and then this will be tile map layer. Tile set. Quick load. This should use the same tile set, right? No source configured. This will be the same source as the other guy. God damn it. We done it now. Bum, bum, boom. Oh. Oh, let me it's gonna do. There we go. Let's change this. Sprites. Yes, automatically create the atlas. Thank you. Or actually, can I just like and what the hell's going on? Let's duplicate this. Duplicate. All right, wall. Okay, that works. That's cool. Transform. Let's go over to this guy. We're gonna delete everything. Not like that though. Okay, there we go. And now, do some of the magic. It's still on a race. Gotta be joking. There we go. Put some roof over their heads. Alright. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, my guy is under. Whoops. Delete this. Map. Alright. Let's just take a peek. Okay, cool. Spawning in the wall. Sounds about right.
It's me, new Tude Slide Color.
Hey, how you doing? Haven't seen you in a bit. New 2. You doing alright? Just working on my game. Or trying to remember how to work on it. Dun, dun, dun. Hey, it's cool. So I need like the inverse of that, which would be over here. I think. I don't even know, man. I'm like dumb when it comes to this. All right. I think I got this. Walls are hard. Dun, dun, dun. Does that actually block me? Nope. Alright, it doesn't have colliders on it. Rip. They do need colliders, though. It's like the walls, everything's kind of inverted, so it's a little awkward in my brain. I do the right wall on the left side, left wall on the right side. Um. Oh, let's go like this. Whoops. Oh, what's happening? Boom, boom, boom. Ba, na, na. Just like that. Yep. There it is. We got a turn. Beautiful. The neurons are firing. Dun, 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 dun. I can't just keep doing that, right? Yeah. Figured not. Then I have to just keep firing it down, I guess. I don't even know. What does that need to look like? No, that's not it. Dun, dun, dun. Make you feel a little claustrophobic. Let's trap you in here. See if I can figure out how to do walls. Because I'm an actual idiot. Proper idiot. This one. This is the guy, right? No. It's weird though. Right to down. Right to down. Right to down. But then like all the black is in burst. So I feel like it would need to be this, but it's not. Oh no. Yeah, whatever. Oh, I mean that side is working. Oh, is this it? No, it's not it. This has gotta be it. No. No. You son of a bitch. The struggle is real here. From right to down. And then we just no. It's just no good. I don't know. I can't do it. It just looks terrible. Okay. Yep. Alright, I need to set up colliders for those. Terrains. Rendering, was it? Physics. Physics layer 0, there we go. Okay, fill. F. Yep. Yep. Fill. Alright, let's see if I don't walk through them anymore. Nice. They're on the outside though. Cool. I need to figure out how to corner this guy. It's not good. Looks so bad. Let's look at a... itch.io. Game assets. Look up cave. Oh, this is game assets. Okay. I don't give a shit what the pixel density is. Top down. Let me search for caves. Game assets. Does it just like get rid of my filters? That kind of sucks. Yeah, it does. Alright. Oh, this is the one. This is the guy that I have. So this is how they set up the wall. So it goes up and left like that. Now, can my idiot brain do this? I mean, I have that one. A top wall connecting to a left wall. Top wall connecting to a left wall. Funny things, I don't see any in the examples. Oh wait, I see one. I do see one. Dun, 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 dun. So this is like... We do got a left boy here. A single pixel. And then we slide it down? I don't know. No. Oh shit. Is this how it's supposed to work? Then we give it darkness? I don't know. Yeah, I mean, like, that's not doing it. I can't keep doing this, right? Can I? Does that just work? Maybe it does. Do another one of these guys. Okay. And then I can replace the last guy. This one, maybe? Yeah. Then we just slide back up. Alright, let's see if we did the guy. Looks like shit. Yeah, it looks real bad, but you know what? It's coming. It's coming along. We need to do the floor. That's what we need to do. That's what we're missing. Floor. Yeah, that's it. Oops. So let's just slide this down here. We don't need anything for the other one because you can't see over it. There we go. Oops. There. And then the corners. Perfect. Perfect. No. I didn't do it. Is I just using this one to make it connect? Yeah. Okay. Let's take a peek. Okay. It's a little better. Still looks like shit. Like that black is not doing it. Let's go back over here. May I just use this? I think I can. Oh. No. God damn it, nothing's connecting. Or maybe they just don't too well. Maybe they always look a little funny. I think that's actually it. I'm not coping. Not coping at all. That's just how it is. Okay, we'll get another one of these guys and just slap them right there. Alright. There we go. Very good. We got a level. Spawning. Do. Open recent. We're gonna do Chronos beginnings. Enemy spawner. Wait, what? What is the script called? My guy. Oh, it's called Kata 1. What? No, that's the scene. Let's try it again. Scroll back up to the top. We have our level. The characters, levels, Kata 1. The catacombs. Let's get rid of this EXP. This enemy spawner has a script called... What's it called? Stop. Okay. Spawner. Best script ever. Da-da-da-dun-dun. Okay, so this is just doing... Let's do... Delete. I'm gonna just say, for now, pass. Bunk. Spawn random radius. Delta float. Void. And we paste that in there. Alright. So I kind of don't want to do it. I'm just holding on to that code for now. Random dirs. Pick random. Right. Dun-dun-dun. So I need a way to determine where the enemies are going to spawn. Or what I could do is just randomly place a few. And then we just progress from there. I should probably make this a little bit longer. So now that I get the idea of how to paint this, let's expand it a little. I'll make it like a hallway slightly. Expand the middle. It feels cramped as hell. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Is there any way I could just move it? Yeah. Yeah, let's just do something like that. We'll get these guys and just slide it over. Boom, just like that. All right. All right, that shit's tilting me. All right, there we go. Dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun. Floor. Stick some floor there. We're good. All right. Walls. Boom, just like that, it's fixed. A little bit longer. Yeah, okay, that's good. I like that. So can I do like spawn points? Add child spawn point. I'm pretty sure there's something for spawn points. Godot spawn point. You can use position 2D as spawn point, teleport point, start position, etc. Position 2D. Could be overkill though. Let's just play some enemies for now. Oh, blob is broken. Why blob broken? Why are you broken, my dude? Who broke you? Oh, that's why. Transform is off. Script inherits native type character body 2D, so it can't be assigned. Blob. Is this the blob? It's the blob, isn't it? Yeah. Character body 2D. Let's delete the blob. Let's make a new one. The hell? There you go. Don't save. Call you blob. Let's fix the blob guy. Poor guy. Rename blob. Animated sprite 2D. Animation is gonna be sprite frames. My dude, you win. You're the winner for the stream. That's it. Nobody else can win. It's only you. The special position. Reserved for those who redeem it. Alright. We need an animated sprite for the blob. Yeah, that's right. You do coding too? Any game dev or anything, or you just play games? Enemies, blob. I just do this. Man, this blob looks so bad though. Think I could fix this up? I think I could fix this up. We can fix her. I think we could fix her. Oops. Oh, no, stop. I don't know. For me, I have trouble working on a game if I don't have like. I feel like if I don't have like decent assets, I just can't do anything. It's not aesthetically pleasing to look at for me. So I feel like I just need to make it look a little nice before I can even do anything. Which I don't know if is a good thing. Maybe it doesn't matter. Enemies. And I'm not an artist in any capacity, so that makes it worse. Alright, green blob PNG. Oh, we have the Aseprite file. Nice. Yeah, this looks like shit. Boy's a little bit big. Thick one. Alright, how do we go about making this look a little bit better? Actually make his surrounding a little lighter than him. What am I doing? How's that even, what is, oh, it's deleting, okay. Let's make that lighter and shinier. Yeah. Maybe it should go even lighter. And then we'll just make him have a little bit of a one of these guys. So you kind of see through him. It just looks like an unhappy face. Oh no. It's actually way too bright. That's not what we should go for. Da-na-na-na-na. My god, this looks terrible though. Shift up a little, let's do that. It's gonna go back. Alright. Unavoidable. That is the right color, I think. But we need like some kind of slightly darker, but not as dark color. We're seeing through it. Because it has its slime booty on the floor. So I need a way of like showing that without it looking like an unhappy face. Alright, let's use some slime references. 2D slime. maybe I should just rip it. Oh my god. Do I just take these? I think I just take them, right? Godot Assets Marketplace. Hey, I think I'll do that. It's free. Add to cart. Hell. Best purchase today. Let's pull this guy. Do I really have to put all this in for free asset though? Itch.io. I think I'll just download a slime. Screw it. Slime. Game assets. Damn, these are looking spicy. Is this free? Let's see if it's free. Nah, I don't think they need a face. That's good. Oh, they're not free. Green slime. That's all I need. I just need a green boy. All right, let's do that. Yo, slime. Yo, slime. Move. Yo, slime. Death. DL, slime, idle. They'll probably never need it. DL, slime, jump. I don't think I'll ever need it. Most of these. That's fine. Oh, we got ads. Nah, you got him? Sprites, enemies. I'll probably continue when ads are back. Let's see, it's 40 seconds. Is there anyone that's not in ads? That'd be amazing. Amazing indeed. Gonna have to finish off this slime guy. I think all we're gonna use is the move. Then we can go forward with that. I don't think I need to jump or idle for anything because they're always moving, I think. Wait, maybe they're not always moving. Oh, they might have idle points. Oh, shit. Welcome back from the ads. Alright. Got me some water. Stretched a little. Actually using it as Pomodoro. Step away from the computer for a second. It's kind of funny. Ads are making the balance of sitting at my desk a little bit better. I don't know if they planned it that way. Alright, we're gonna do this guy. This is 3 vertical, 4 horizontal. Select all. Boom. Okay, that looks good. Why is it so far down though? There's like so much space. Hold up. Slime move. Or maybe it's a 16. 16? We'll do it 4 or 3. Stop. Can I not do 4 and 16? I guess not. There's just so much space in this sprite, though. It's going a little too far down for my liking. Slide, move. Yeah. There it is. Does it actually stretch for further? No, it doesn't. It's totally 16 by 16, right? Am I drunk? Maybe it's not. Let's find out. Oh yeah, it goes longer. Alright, never mind. Okay, so we can change the offset of the animation, I guess, to be up a little bit. There we go. Now we need the colliders, collision shape. I don't know what this one's for. I don't remember. Damage area. Should be fairly big. And then this one is for colliding with other enemies, which I'll make it kind of small. Animation could be a little faster too. Yeah. That looks good. Let's take a look. Hey, look at that guy. Ow. Nice. Very good. Now what I need to do is look at my to-do list. All right, so I need to add a way for the player to level up and stats. Or I could just work on the stuff that I can look at first. So limited field, same level or a few variations, and then I have a ladder or stairs to progress to a new level. So I think I can add staircase or something. We'll do some progression. Weapon. Tile sets. Maybe there's one in here. Decorative. Decorative, decorative, decorative. Decor. Alright. What's this? Nothing. Okay. I think what I need to do... Just check the sprite sheet. Maybe it has a... Maybe it has a staircase somewhere here. There it is. Yes, it is. It's right there. Perfect. Na, 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 na. Map. These guys need to come out. The hell? Yeah, child node, node 2D, whatever. Enemies. Put them under here. So I'm spawning, I just throw them in something like this. Blob. All right. Ba-na-na. I guess I could just do this, right? Just throw a staircase here. It's so big. The player's so small. We have a scaling issue. We indeed have a scaling issue. Okay, that's a little better. That looked way too funny. Sure. The walls. Alright, let's do that. Cool. Then what should happen if I step on here is it should send me to a new area. Let's go ahead and copy this scene. Levels. Duplicate. Cata 2. This is definitely not the way it's going to happen going forward, but it's a way to just start. Okay, and then this one should look like a little different, right? I think the easiest way I could just make it is... I'll just do this. Slide this guy up here. Just to know I'm on a different level. That way. That way I know I go on. Now the only question is, how do I do that? I'm not entirely sure. Alright, so we have the player that's going to be colliding with these stairs. Tile set. I need some kind of like level manager, I guess. That says, hey, they hit the staircase, you need to load the next scene. This level manager will need to carry over to the next scene as well. That I'm not too sure on how to do. Well, when in doubt, we look up tutorial. Godot, level manager.
Hello, this is Patrick with Royce. Today
Hi,
we're
Patrick.
reviewing how to make a level scene manager for Godot. This will help simplify loading and managing your level scenes. Alright, let's jump right in. So as you can see, I've got 3 scenes here. Level scene manager scene, a level 1, and a...
Is that quality? It's potato quality. Scene manager.
With just one line of code, this scene manager handles transitions, loading, and data transfer between levels. Should we take a look?
Yes.
Before we get into any code, let's take a look at what this one line can do. So I've got this sample project made with assets from Kenny, by the way. Thank you, Kenny, much appreciated. Anyhow, what we've got here is a simple Zelda-like dungeon game. So that first transition is what you're seeing managed with this line of code. Then we've also got this Zelda-style sliding transition, and then also this sort of fading transition to simulate, maybe changing levels or going somewhere darker. So how do we do all that with one line of code? We're going to be creating this scene manager singleton, or auto load as they're called in Godot, that will allow us to pass the path to an asset that we want to load and define the type of transition that we want to use. Now, of course, yes, I did say one line of code. Obviously, there's a lot more going on here inside the scene manager and the loading screen that's going to handle the transitions, but I wasn't trying to deceive you. The point I was trying to make is, because throughout the life cycle of a game, we're going to be transitioning between menus and the game and different levels within the game and passing data around, I wanted to build a very simple system for doing that, because we're going to do a lot, and I don't want the calls to be complex. I'd like to just be able to say, scene manager, I need this, go get it for me. So here's the basic structure that we're going to be working with.
Makes sense.
We're going to pass that resource and the type of transition we want to the scene manager. Then the scene manager is going to instantiate our loading screen. It'll play the first half of the transition that we selected. Then once it's at the midpoint where the screen is obscured, it's going to load the new content behind that. It'll then continue playing the second half of that transition, revealing what we've now added. And before freeing the previous scene, if we're moving between 2 levels, we're going to hand off some data from the old level so that we can initialize things properly.
So that's how it works. Okay, so you're grabbing the objects in your scene, and then you're just injecting them into the new scene, I guess. That's interesting. Okay. Let me see if I could just do something dirty. Let's attach a script, and this one's gonna be level manage, or we'll call it scene manager. manager. You're still real. I would hope so. Or was that an unfinished sentence? Oh, let me turn back on the music. Please don't stop the music. Mm, 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 mm. Damn, I got like 1,000 tabs open. Hold on. Close. Close. Close that one too. Drag that over here for now. Bump, 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 bump. Man, I wish there are timestamps associated with the chat on Twitch. I think this probably has something though. Do, do, do. Yeah, that one has it. Okay. Let's call you scene. God damn it. Can't spell for the life of me. Scene manager. Ready. I don't think it needs to do anything on ready. It doesn't need to do anything on process either, maybe? I'll leave that like that for now. We need a func called load scene. Maybe we'll have like scene name. It's gonna be a string. So what I'd want to do is grab the I'd want to grab the player, carry into the next scene. I think that'd be the only thing I need to do. Player. Yeah. Yep. Because the player is the only thing that's consistent between the scenes. So we have player, get tree, get player, get tree dot get. What's the thing? It's like get node or something, right? No, maybe it's Unity. Shit, I'm so rusty now. Player state machine. Nope. Gonna be patrolling. Get sure you get first node in group. Actually, I can do that. That's a good one. Okay, player equals get tree. I get first node in group player. And then could not find string in the current scope. Is it capital S? Maybe? Okay. Load scene. How do we do this in Godot? Change scenes. Godot, change scene. I want to see if I could do this before watching a video on how to do it. Get tree. Change scene manually. Sometimes it helps to have more control over swap scenes around. A viewport. Viewport's child nodes will render the image it generates. This holds true even for nodes outside of the current scene. Auto loads into this category. Okay. Deleting the existing scene. Delete the existing scene. We'll delete the current scene immediately. You can also delete the main scene, assuming the roots node's name is main. You could do get node root main dot free. Delete the whole scene. Unloads memory. RAM is no longer dragging the dead weight. Con. Returning the scene is now more expensive since it must be loaded back into memory again. Takes time and memory. Not a problem if returning soon is unnecessary. So I feel like I have a separate issue here as well. I think I would need something that manages the game, like the brain of the game, that needs to carry between the scenes. The player, I don't need to move over the player. I need to carry over the brain, because the brain knows where the player needs to go, and knows the strength of the player as well as other things, like other game tracking stuff. So the brain is the important one. It's memory. Alright, screw it. I'm gonna watch the video. I feel like I'm just gonna be thinking too much on this. Come up with a crappy solution and be like, there's a way better one here. Let's just learn.
If I click on the root node here, you'll see that the level script requires that we define a player and then create an array of all the doors in that level. So with that understanding of how the levels are constructed, let's take a look at the door. So the door is very basic. It's just an area 2D that's one grid size big with a collision shape on it and this door script. And the door script is extremely basic. First, we're going to make sure that we're only reacting to the player colliding with this. If something does collide with this, it's not a player, it's just going to dump out on line 13. Once the player does come in here, we're going to emit a signal and pass along the door itself, because the door contains a bunch of information that the next level is going to need.
Transition type equals Zelda. I like it.
After that, we're going to look at the transition types, which is one of the enums we'll talk about in a second. If it's the Zelda level transition, we're going to use this load function of the scene manager. And if it's anything else, we're going to use this generic load scene. Then we're going to call queue free to remove the door because we've collided with it, and this is one of a couple of ways we're going to make sure that we only collide with it once. Down here, I'm not going to go into too much detail, but these are two very basic helper functions. This top one calculates the position in front of the door that we want to put the player when it enters a new level. This other one just inverts up to down, left to right, based on our entry direction, so that we can make sure that the player is facing the right direction when they enter a new room. So if I click on the door, we can look at these. We can actually look at these 5 export variables. This first one defines the direction of the room relative to the door. So for example, if I go back to the level, this door here has an entry direction of east, which is this way. So we define our entry direction. We choose which transition we want to use here, how far we want to move the player off of this space.
Sure, that's fine.
Level 2, define.
I don't really need most of that at the moment.
With this door, it triggers this on body entered, fires off this player entered door, which the level script is listening for, and it tells the scene manager what to load and what transition to use, and everything sort of goes from there. So let's move over to the loading screen. I'm going to try to do this somewhat chronologically. The loading screen is fairly simple. It's a canvas layer that has a panel we're going to animate for the transitions. It has a progress bar that we're going to optionally show depending on how long it's taking to load the scene. In our case, it'll probably almost never be shown. We've got an animation player node to handle the transitions, and then I've added a tense to
Damn, this fancy.
From to the system after we've hit a content loads and she's on.
Okay.
and then it gets remote tree. Once I hit enter, you'll see the loading screen appear, and then it gets freed once the transition is complete and the loading is complete.
Okay.
The start transition is called by our scene manager. We're going to check to make sure that the animation we're using actually exists. If it doesn't, we're going to push out a warning, and then we're going to set it to one that we know does exist. This allows us to an error in the game. When it starts down here, this is called by the scene manager after we've finished loading the content behind the middle point of the transition. We're going to stop the timer, because if we've gotten here before the one-shot timer has gone off, then we don't want it to go off while we're finishing our transition. We're now using the replace string function to go from fade 2.
I feel like I should also make a title screen. Create new scene. Title. Okay. Because if I can make a title screen and make a transition to another level, then it'd be similar stuff to go to the next levels as well. I would think. Let's add child node. This one's gonna be GUI. I don't see GUI menu. There's so many things. Godot, title, screen. Yes. Tell me. I would need save state as well. Okay. For the main menu, margin container. The large box is the entire game window. Okay. Build it all into a single scene, and eventually save some branches as reusable scenes. And then build template scenes for reusable components and create specific components and inherit from yours. Yeah, I'm gonna use the first one. Break down the UI into nested boxes, so kind of like HTML. From the largest that contains everything to the smallest ones that encompass one widget. There's some pattern around areas, a margin container. Okay. If the elements are arranged in rows and columns, use HBox or VBox container. Okay. For the main menu, large box the entire game window. Is padding between the edges of the window and the first components. This should be a margin container. Okay, so let's do that. Margin container, boom. And this should actually be the thing. This should be the root. Can I delete this? Okay. Can I just make this the root? Reparent. I'm just gonna change this one. Change type. Margin container. Okay. So now this guy is the root. Let's put a little music on. There's padding between the edges of the window and the first components. This should be a margin container. Then the screen is split into 2 columns. HBox container. Okay. So an HBox container in the left one. We'll manage the rows of the V-Box container. Right. So the main one has an H-Box, and inside an H-Box we have a V-Box, is what it looks like. Which I'll also do. Just throw a sprite in there. Let's do a V-Box container, V-Box container, and then we'll do a center. I'll just throw like a random sprite in there. Or animation. Let's just throw a random animated sprite 2D. Sure. I'm just gonna make like, let's go back a little. Up. Tile sets. This guy. I'll do like, I'll do a torch. Can I just select all of them? I can't select all of them. Oh no. They're already split. I don't need to select them individually. Why is shifting up and down? What the hell? No, don't do that. That was kind of awkward. Stop. Where'd it go? There you go. Why is it changing size? Oh, I need to put the origin at the bottom, right? Is that it? That's why it's... I see. I'm an idiot. My child node, no? That was an accident. Node. Doesn't do anything. Alright, let me do the position then. Whatever can go wrong will go wrong is the lesson of today. Dun, 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 dun. I think the problem is here that it's just stretching in both up and down directions. It's not... God damn it. Visibility. Animation default, speed scale, centered, offset, flip. Wondering if there's any way. Oh, what the hell? Interesting. Adds like a slightly 3D effect to a 2D thing. Whatever, I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. Not important. I'll fix it later. Story of my life. We'll manage the rows of the V-Bucks container. Okay. Layout, localization. Prepare the main menu screen. All right. To add the root node, margin container. Margin container is a good starting point for most interfaces. You often need padding around the UI. Press Meta S to save. Okay. So margin container. Select the margin container again. Head to inspector and define the margin size. Scroll down to the control class and custom constant section. Unfold it and set margins such as. Okay. Margin horizontal 120, margin vertical 80. Where the hell is it? Control class. Oh, okay, control. Custom constants. Custom const. I'm not seeing that. Custom constants. Nice. That's not the same. Wait. It's for Godot 3.1. That's the issue. God damn it. It was an old guide. It might have changed. These things are different. Main menu. Main game scene. Let's see what this is supposed to look like at the end. Nope. Main game scene. No. Dude, why? I thought the docs were good. What's going on? All right, let's look at a different one. Someone just loaded a goddamn image. It's the whole image. We could probably skip through a lot of this one. How old is this? 1 year? That should be recent enough.
We need a basic function, some function that is going to be able to. Is going to be an entire your own game, a very custom game that you created all by possible to make a working to your own Godot game. It could be any this setting, and it just has even if you're not making a Flappy Bird, of them this one linked in the but if you're UI,
Yeah.
but we have no UI. This is going to be a canvas layer, and we're going to name it UI. Now,
Oh, is that what we use? Canvas layer. All right, let's start this again. Canvas There we go. Yeah, canvas layer matches the size of the screen. This guy is going to be a little bigger. Da-da-ding-ding-ding. We have that one. Is that the autoplay guy? Yeah. Okay.
Doesn't matter what you're creating. If you're creating a main menu pops UI first, and then I'm gonna move to the during game screen, then we'll move to the very beginning or the main screen. Right, so this is our in-game screen. So we can show it, but here we can go to this with small and we can, and now we're gonna want some way to display the score, right? So we can say top right, load the screen and
No.
it's not go to that label. So this top to that label. Now we can this here we start by reuse our here in the bowl right in what it says on here. It matters what that function is. So our main actually is here board right here works. So play our mains. You can see that everything works. We're so if we want a in-game screen, our during game table. This is gonna on the side screen. Just keep it go down. So we'll say during game screen.
I mean, this is not exactly what I'm looking for, but whatever. It's gonna just add a button. Start. That's it. That's it. The button. Probably gonna have a game manager script. All right, how do we handle input?
Right, and just say get tree dot.
On restart button pressed. Okay. Bum, ba-da-dum. But so this guy's gonna have an event that shoots off, and then I can just catch the event somewhere else. What's gonna catch it? I mean, I guess the title screen would need a script. Catch script. Sure. Title.gd. Great. Whoa. And Vim works inside this? It's buggy though. That ain't it. It's super buggy. Oh no. What's going on? Oh no. Yikes. That thing is busted. Alright. Cool. So button pressed. Unbutton pressed. Okay, unbutton press. We'll just say okay, Godot, load, new level. We're to have a main scene where the required level can be instance child level container node instead of how tutorials make you change to a new scene. Actually, that's really smart. Yeah.
Gudo is a very general purpose engine, which means it doesn't have the
Gudo.
concept of things like levels or player controllers out of the box. You have to construct them yourself out of scenes. This can be pretty confusing when you first open the editor, so I'm going to show you how I
That mustache,
personally
though.
construct my project. First, open Godot and create a new project if you don't already have one. I create a main scene that contains everything I want to always be loaded. The base node doesn't really matter too much here. While you can switch entire scenes in Godot, there are usually things you always want to keep loaded.
Keep
like
saying it
HUD,
different ways.
menus, and maybe transition effects. I'm just gonna slap some stuff on here for demonstration purposes, like some buttons so we can load levels. We'll just save this as main scene. Now throw a script on there and we'll connect the button signals. We need a couple levels to load, so I'm going to create a scene that has just a box on it with a red material, and then we'll save that in the levels directory, and then we'll create another scene with a blue box and save that in the levels directory as well. We'll need a camera, so I'm just going to throw one on the main scene, as that's what I've done in past projects, though depending on your game it may make more sense to have cameras elsewhere. In the main scene script, I add some variables to quickly reference things like the HUD and menu and whatnot. Specifying onReady before declaring a variable will assign the value to the variable when the scene has fully loaded. Specifying
Right.
variable types is optional and it works better if you type them correctly. Now I'll add a variable to point
I'm
to
sure
the
it
load
does.
level instance. For convenience, I'll add a function to unload a level, which will check if we have a valid instance of a level and free it. Also, I like to be able to load levels by a simple string name and have a function that will automatically combine the resource directory, level name, and extension together, load the level, and create an instance of it, which we will add to the main scene. Now our button presses can just call load level with the appropriate level name. Make sure the main scene is selected when you first run the project, and you can simply click Select Current to make your main scene the main scene. Look at that! We can load different levels by clicking on the buttons. If you happen to set the wrong scene as your main scene, you can go into the project settings, application, run, and then set the main scene there. Another helpful thing you can do is create a global script that's always loaded. We'll just call this global.gd. Here we can throw in variables for things that we want to easily be accessible from anywhere, like our main scene or maybe our player. To enable
Right.
it, go to Project Settings, click the Autoload tab, then the folder icon to load your script, and finally the Add button. Now, for our main scene's ready function, we can set the main scene variable on the global script to ourself. If we have some script somewhere else, we can easily execute things like global.mainScene.doSomething or global.player.doSomething. These are just some examples of how I set up my projects. This isn't meant to be a specific tutorial, but just give you a general idea on how to set up your projects in Guda. And as always, a huge
Guda.
thanks to my patrons. These wonderful your thing load the name.
You must have pronounced it like 4 different
Specifying
times.
onReady before declaring a variable will assign the value to the variable when the now I'll check if we have a valid instance of a level and automatically combine, which we will add to the raw global.gd. Here we can throw in variables for things that we want to easily be accessible from anywhere, like our main scene icon to load your script, and finally the Add button. Settings, click the Autoload tab, then the folder icon to load your script, and finally the Add button. Now, from our
Oh, that's how you do
with the folder
globals.
icon.
Oh shit.
Maybe you're
I
a
didn't
player.
know.
To enable it, go to Project Settings, click the Autoload tab, then the folder.
Okay. I need a global. That's what I need. Damn, that's crazy. Let's do so much stuff. Create new. New folder. Game management. Create new script, and this one will be global. Global. .gd. I guess I'll just call it that. Whatever. It's not gonna be a good name though. I already know, but screw it. Auto load. Set path. Let's add scenes. Game management. Global. Nice. Global.gd. All right. Bam, bam, na, 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 na. So we'll have in global we can just load up a player. Unready. Our player equals packed. What's the way to load? I forget. Preload. Preload. There we go. Player. The helmet. Find the thing. What's a pack scene? Right, that's the issue. Player TSCN. Delete to. Yeah? What's the issue now? Doesn't? God damn it. Player. Do it again. Why does it keep putting 2? I'm like tilting right now. Okay. So this only happens once. Print. Loaded. Loaded. Global. Okay. Subpack scene. So how do I use this? Okay, enemy. So instantiate. Okay. So it should instantiate the player as well. Right? Instantiate. That should be a player. Okay. And now the player is everywhere. Uh-oh, I think I have ads coming. Yet again. Jeez, time is flying. Forgot how much time flies when I'm doing this. Dun dun. Alright, so we loaded global. Instantiate. So it'd really just be setting the position, right? Let's say on level 1. Loaded global. Okay, cool. I'm pressed. I could just trash the scene and then load up a new one. Might be alright. Uh-oh, ads. And there they go. Do, 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 do. Oh, oh. Ugh. Alright, animated sprite. I need to change this level. Dun, dun. Dun, dun. Da-da-da. So the button, title. We'll just make this guy do the thing, right? Let's just load a scene. So what was the first way? Let's go with the first way that actually just deletes everything. I'm okay with that.
Icon box on it with so we scenes directory and the value to the variable. Now I'll add a variable to point to the loaded level instance. For convenience, I'll add a function to unload a level, which will check if we have a valid instance of a level and free it.
Level instance by spatial.
Also, I like to be able to load levels by a simple string name and have a function that will automatically combine the resource.
Unload level. Is that a thing? Right. So unload level is a function that he wrote to level instance that queue free. level instance equals null. Okay. So we'll just do queue free.
Directory, level name, and equals by a simple string main scene. Maybe transition effects. I'm just gonna things you always doesn't have one. I create a main scene that contains everything I want to always be loaded. The base node doesn't really matter too much here. While you can switch entire scenes in Godot, there are usually things you always want to keep loaded, like HUD, menus, and maybe transition effects. I'm just gonna slap some stuff on here for demonstration purposes, like some buttons so we can load levels.
Got it.
We'll
Okay.
just say-
Create new scene. Main scene. Attach a script. Main scene. Game management. I'll just keep the script in here actually. Keep it together. Main scene. .gd. God damn it. There it is. Main scene, GD. There we are. Alright, what does he do?
Save that. I'm going to throw one on main scene. Specifying onReady before declaring a variable will assign the value to the variable when this. Now I'll add a variable to point to the loaded level instance. For
The loaded level instance is gonna be facial. That was a spatial. Oops, I put a. Oh, because that's probably a thing for 3D. I don't know. It's gonna be a node 2D anyway. Or actually, it's gonna be a packed scene.
convenience, I'll add a function to unload a level, which will check if we have a valid instance of a level and free it. Also, I like to be able to load levels by a simple string name and have a function that will automatically combine the resource directory, level name, and extension together, load the level, and create an instance of it, which we will add to the main scene. Now our button.
Okay. I'll make a child called main 2D. And the 2D. Main 2D. Alright. Stop. I could probably get rid of all this. Var load level. Oops. Load level. Let's be consistent. Yeah. Yeah. It's not a var, it's a func. So this should be var or scene name. It's gonna be a string. void, right? It's not happy. Expected colon after function declaration. There we go. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Button presses can just call load level with.
Okay. Load level, scene name. Let's do that. Func unload level. If is invalid. Then we'll do level instance queue free. Is that what we do? Yeah, we do a queue free. Level instance queue free. I don't know why it's not as a function or oh, that's why I'm an idiot. There we go. So that
Holy.
one is
Okay.
holy. I'm actually doing stuff. How you doing, Sita?
Morning stream.
Yeah, it's the rare one. I figured I'd do a little bit of programming before I forget it all. And it seems like I've forgotten most of it. Shit's rough. It's rough, man. Level instance equals null. I've also never had to do level management either, though, so that's another thing. Level resource load level path. Level path equals. Okay, so var resource equals load. Is it lowercase? Yeah, it's probably lowercase, right? Yeah, good to know. Scene name. Okay. And then I want to put the resource under main 2D, I guess. Resource main. I could just reference it, right? Through dollar. Unready var. Ooh, I like the autofill for that. You getting ready for work, Cito? Your Friday? Main 2D. Let's just do $main 2D. Boom. Main 2D dot add child resource. And then level instance equals. Is this how we can do it? Yeah. Identifier. I didn't instance it. Wait. What do you return? You return a resource. Okay. Okay, I could just call that. Sweet. Oh. Instance. And then this one should just be I don't know. It'll be a node 2D, I guess. I don't even know what I'd call it. Var Extends node 2D. Unexpected identifier in body. Oh. An actual idiot. Can I do this pack scene then? Yes, I can. Though I don't know what this would be. Level instance equals resource. Okay, var level instance is the instance thing. Yeah, add child to instance. Right. We done it. We done it. We gone done it. I'm not doing any error checking here, so I'm just gonna let it blow up. And then I'll cry later. Okay. So the main scene should be loading up a
the appropriate level name. Make sure the main scene is selected when you first run the project, and you can simply click Select Current to make your main scene the main scene. Look at that! We can load different levels by clicking on the...
Yep. And I'll just do export. I'll start with title, I guess. Title. Title GD. Oh wait. Spawner. I mean, I do an array of pack scene. And how does that work? Where's my spawner? Scenes. Components. No. Accessories. Where's my shit? Where do I use the spawner? I probably use it in the catacomb. The catacombs. There it is. Does it already have to be in the... Or can I just add it like this? I mean, I can't just drag it in, can I? Title. Oh, I can. Okay, nice. Okay, let me change the... project settings. That's the editor settings. Default scene is gonna be run main. Loaded main. Oops, it's not in here. Main scene. Funk. Ready. Right. Boom. Okay, we loaded main. This should only happen once ever. Mode level. Want to load the title path, whatever that would be. Oh, we copy this. Perfect. VI that, paste, nope. VI that, and then that. Okay. Alright, let's just see if this works. Or breaks. Trying to assign value type node2d to a variable of type player GD. And which enemy patrolling? Why is that trying to load? There's no enemies in the scene. What? That doesn't make any sense. Title. Hold up. Hold up. Hello? Oh. Oh, that's why. That's the wrong scene. Game management, main scene. There we go. There we go. That's what I expect. Something to break here. Non-existent function instance in base pack scene. Okay. I mean, there are no 2Ds anyway, probably. Let's just go with that. No. Let's do... It is going to be a pack scene, I think. You just can't call load on a pack scene. Can you? Spawner. Array pack scene, enemy. Pick random to spawn. Instantiate. I'm an idiot. Okay. Alright, what's my next problem? Level instance equals res. What? Trying to assign the value type canvas layer. I know what the problem is. This guy. Change type node 2D. Okay. Right. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Screw you. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Dum, boo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. All right, and then this is level instance, just gonna be a node 2D, I think. That's the way we do it. Start level. And then I'll need a var level instance. Node 2D. Build level, start level is a pack scene. Start level dot. What are the props here? How can I get the path? Resource path. There we go. There we go. That's more like it. Add child. Okay, there we go. I think that should be it. Go to our main scene. Start levels, a new pack scene. This guy is gonna be title. There we go. Don't break. Yeah. Okay, now we're in the title screen. So we do queue free. Nope. All right, what we're gonna do is bubble an event up, right? So you want to say the game manager. This needs to tell the game manager we need to change the scene. Button press. I mean, we would need a signal, I guess. So everything's gonna be a child. Where's my voice going? It's going away. What's going on? Everything's gonna be a child of this main scene. All gonna fit in the main 2D. This will get deleted. Main scene will stay for the entire duration of the game. So main scene will have to listen for events, or I can make something else separately that'll listen for events and then reference the main scene, I guess. Which might make a little more sense. I'm not sure.
The buttons. If you happen to set the wrong scene as your main scene, you can go into the project settings, get a global script want to easily be accessible from anywhere, like our main scene or maybe our player. To enable it, go to Project Settings, click the Autoload tab, then the folder icon to load your script, and finally the Add button. Now, from our main scene's ready function, we can set the main scene variable on the global script to ourself. If we have some script somewhere else, we can easily execute things like global.mainScene.doSomething or global.player.doSomething. We execute things like global.mainScene.
Global.main scene.
Do something.
Oh shit. Try it again later.
Or global.player.doSomething. These are just things. Finally, the add go to project settings, click the autoload tab, then the .gd. Here we can throw in variables for things that we want to easily be accessible from anywhere, like our main scene.
Okay, I see. It's clicking. It's clicking. So I can use the global to reference the main scene. And ready, var, main scene. Let's give main scene a class. Class. Name. If I can write. Equals main scene. Okay. This will be a main scene. And then we can say equals I don't know. I mean, because this is the main scene, right? It's always there. Does that break? No. Okay, cool. So title on this, we could just say on button press, we could say global dot main scene dot, and then we go to main scene. What was the function? Unload level, load level. Load level. Now we just pass in a string and it should load the shit. I want to say cat01. We load the first level. And then it'll almost work, except I need a, oops, get rid of this guy. Main scene. This needs to, I kind of need a prefix where all my levels are. So I can just copy this guy. Except this one is, now screw it. Hey Brett, how's it going? Where was I at? Haven't seen you in a bit. You finally got that sleep. You slept like 2 days. Title. No. Yeah, it wasn't title. Yeah, there we go. I could just
What
like...
language? Yeah, couldn't go on.
Yeah, this is GD script. Godot. Cat01. Alright, let's see if it loads my level. Boom. Okay. I mean, attempt to call load level in a base null instance on a null instance. Shit.
This is VSC.
Yeah, I'm using Visual Studio Code and as the editor. Because I wanted to use Vim motions. I like me some Vim. Globals. I think the problem is it's not loading the main scene. Oh, I could do main scene. I could do this. Ready? Global dot main scene equals self. That's it. That's all I need to do, I think. I can go to global and then go, hey. Just delete the rest of that line.
In 3 days I have school.
3 days. It begins. Perfect. Look at that. All right, cool. That's nice. School, exciting stuff. Back to real life. Oh. And right now I have to go pick up my daughter. It's time to head out.
Are you using an extension to have this game screen?
What do you mean an extension to have the game screen? What game screen are you talking about? This was good though. I'm gonna save this video and use it later. Cause this looks good. Transitions? Hell yeah. Yeah. Okay, same level of view variations. Yeah, I'm trying to make something that's kind of like a Stardew Mines dungeon crawler, essentially. We'll see how that goes. Anyway, I gotta head out. Dun, 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 dun. Good to see you though. I'll probably be back on tonight. Let us head out. Okay. Blood ritual, sacrifice. Sounds good. Oh wait, actually, hold up. What is that? Let's go to Stream
I
Manager.
also gotta head out quick.
All right. That's good. It was good seeing
I
you
will
then.
come on in evening though.
All right, cool. I'll see you later then, sir. I'm just gonna do like the first one. All right, later, guys.
Did you start playing any new games?
Yep, you'll see tonight. All right, peace.
So right here, let's intersect